Hey there, as we learned what are robots and what are sensors and how they work. So today we are going to know what are blocks and how those blocks will be working. So as we can see on the main screen, we have a robot waiting for a command in the right hand side, and we have some controls here and here a project name on the left side. So for the robot, if we press move forward, it will be moving forward, and if we click on left, it will be turning left again. If we click on move backward, it will move backward. So now this is not a robot. For working to make this work automatically, we need to command it. Command in the sense coding. So if we can see on the left hand side of the screen, we have so many blocks here with different colors and different commands. So first we have controls. In controls we have my program. This block is the most important block because it contains the details of the program we do, and then times in meter per second. So this can be changed as per our convenience. And if and do, if there is obstacle, then turn left or right. So next we have motions in orange color. So in this we have move forward, move backward, turn left, turn right, and stop. So these are the blocks which is used to command a robot to move forward or to move backward, or if you want a robot to turn left at certain point, you can use this. And if you want a robot to turn right in a certain point, you can use this turn right block. And then if we want a robot to stop, then we will be using stop. Next we have sensors. Sensors are the most important part of the robots. So in this, the first one we have read ultrasonic sensors. Reading ultrasonic sensor, if we add this block in our robot, then our robot will automatically read the ultrasonic, like read the obstacles which are like closer than 20 centimeter or further than 20 centimeters. And this distance, 20 centimeter, can be customized. Then moving forward to logics. Logics is something which we use robot to humanize that. As we know that we humans, we use some logic to calculate things and all. So same way we use this logical blocks to command the robot in logical way. If there is an obstacle, then avoid that and move forward, something like that. Then if we use this blocks, here we can use is equal to or not equal to. Those things we can be changed. And the third block we can use and for any other to run the true if both inputs are true. And next we have not. Obviously we will use this to command the robot to return the true value if the input is false, and vice versa. So that's it for today. These were the blocks named controls, motions, sensors, and logics. So the next four blocks we'll be learning in the next video. So see you in the next video, Future Robot Builder.